The cold days are coming, that time of year where we just want to stay cozy, have something warm to sip on, and Atole de Elote has to be my top favorite. It is super easy to make, so traditional. It all starts with 2 cups of water, a stick of canela. I am using my large clay pot, but you can use any pot that you have at home. I'm gonna place it over a medium heat. Bring it up to a gentle simmer. Leave it there for about 5 minutes because that water has to get infused with the cinnamon. While that's happening, let's remove the kernels from 6 ears of corn. This is now gently simmering. I'm gonna lower the heat to medium-low to keep it there. Now I've done 4 ears of corn right here. They're gonna get transferred into the blender. The remainder 2 are gonna get set to the side. It's gonna yield about 1.5 cups. All right, this is looking great. We're gonna turn it off. I can smell the aroma from that cinnamon already. Now, to the blender, add 2 cups of whole milk. It's just barely going to cover that corn and blend it until it is completely smooth. Strain the mixture. Give the blender a rinse. Add 2 cups of whole milk, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, half a cup of milk powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extracts because we love it so much, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. This also gets blended until it is smooth and fully combined. My large clay pot is over medium heat. We're gonna bring the mixture up to a gentle simmer. Add half a cup of sugar. The great thing about this atole is you can use a sugar replacement. Just make sure that on the packaging it says 1-to-1 ratio for sugar. Pour in the corn mixture, the 1.5 cups of corn kernels. Finally, the blended milk mixture. Make sure you're stirring constantly when you add this in. For atole, you have to make sure you're always stirring. There's no walking away at this point. I'm just waiting for this to reach that gentle simmer we are looking for. Then we can reduce the heat to medium-low. That way we keep it there. It's very, very important not to let this boil. It's a little hard to tell when it's at a gentle simmer because you're constantly stirring, but as soon as you start to see that steam on top, lower that heat to medium-low. We are almost there. We've got a couple of minutes to go, but during this time, the atole has taken this glossy, beautiful shine, slightly thickened. We are cooking off the cornstarch and the corn has really intensified in flavor. It could take between 10 to 15 minutes, but this atole is done. And I want to show you that consistency because it screams atole. The corn kernels are fully cooked, and just keep in mind, this will continue to thicken as it cools down. Blow on that atole because it's a little hot. Guys, this makes me so happy.
Smells so good. And on a traditional clay
mug. Yeah, so good. It just warms, it warms the soul.
It reminds me of the rainy days in El Salvador.
Oh, great. Yeah, Salvadorians make a lot of atole de elote as well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, you guys. It is delicious.
So
Full printable recipe on villacocina.com. And as always, you can subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and leave us a review on villacocina.com. If you love the recipe, we would love a 5-star review.
For sure.
All right, until the next one, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.